Hi friends, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show the unboxing and installation of budget-friendly hang-on filter, which I am planning to use in my new Nano Aquascaping. The model I am using in JX609. To buy this filter I will give product link in the description. There are models which come with skimmer also. I am using normal one. This filter has features like energy-saving mute design, long life. We can unbox this filter and see what all stuff comes with this box. The filter comes with an Aquarium design. You can see the inlet pipes in the box. There is a sponge that is included in the fighter. It's very easy to remove and clean the sponge. So let's start the installation of the filter. First start with the inlet pipes fitting with the motor. Then attach the end mesh cap to the inlet pipe. End mesh cap which helps to protect shrimp and tiny fishes not go inside the filter. I attach the inlet pipe with the filter motor as shown in the video. On the other side you can see sponge. In that tray we can add some biomedia if wanted, but I am using only sponge. The filter is now ready to hang on the aquarium. It's very simple to hang on the aquarium as I am showing in the video. Friends, please subscribe to my channel and share. For the filter we have to fill the filter with water manually, which helps the motor to work smoothly. As in the video, I'm filling water until the filter tray gets full. Then I plug in the filter and start working. Guys, you can see the water flow. Look closely, you can see how well the filter works. This is the latest Nano Aquascaping setup I made. Now we can close the filter top using a clear aid lid come with this filter. To control the flow of water, like increase or decrease the flow, we have to adjust the knob as shown in the video. This is the simple installation of a small filter, which is used in nano tanks. Simple and very easy to clean, and then motor running very silently. Thank you friends for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and share.